Imagine making $1,000 from your phone as a teenager. No experience, no investment, just smart strategies using AI. Sounds unreal, right? Well, I did it, and today I'll show you how you could do it too. Whether you're tired of traditional side hustles or just looking for a way to make money online that actually works, stick around because this video might just change everything. The internet is full of ways to make money, but most of them need time, money, or skills you might not have yet. That's where AI steps in. It's like having a virtual assistant that can do so much of the heavy lifting for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down the exact steps to make this work, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. To make money online, you need a niche, something people care about and want to watch. AI and automation are booming right now, and they're not just for tech geeks. You can tap into this trend to make money, even if you have no experience. Explore popular platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Reddit. Check out what's trending in AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, AI side hustles. All these are hot topics right now. Look at what's already working. Search for AI videos with high views and see what people are curious about. That's your content goldmine. By the end of this step, you'll have a niche that excites you and has the potential to earn. Ready for step 2? Let's go. Next, you need a platform to share your content. YouTube is perfect because it pays well and has a massive audience. Setting up a channel is simple. Use your phone, pick a name that matches your niche, and write a description with keywords like AI, money-making, teen side hustle, and automation hacks. Don't worry about fancy graphics or a banner right now. Focus on your content first. Just make sure your profile picture is clear and relevant. If you put in the effort to create valuable content, your channel will grow. And the more it grows, the more potential income you can make. That's it for step 2. Ready for the next part? Let's get into content creation.
If you're camera shy or don't have equipment, no worries. You can make videos without ever showing your face. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, just like this one, and Synthesize.io for AI voiceovers. For visuals, go to sites like Pexels or Pixabay for free stock videos. Search for tech, AI, or productivity footage. Combine these with screen recordings of AI tools or websites you're talking about. You can also use screen recordings of popular AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Show how they work. People love tutorials. The best part? You don't need fancy gear or a big budget. If you've got a smartphone and an idea, you're ready to create. Stay tuned for step 4, editing for impact. Editing makes all the difference. Use CapCut or InShot. Both are free and easy to use on your phone. Add text overlays for key points, cut out any mistakes, and use royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library to keep it engaging. If you're using an AI video maker like Pictory, it's even easier. Just paste your script, choose visuals, and let the AI do the rest. Your goal is to keep the video fast-paced and visually appealing. No one wants to watch a boring, static video. Editing can make your videos pop, keep viewers hooked, and make your message clear. Stay tuned for step 5, posting and optimizing.
When you post, make sure your title grabs attention, like how I made $1,000 as a teen with AI, no experience. Use keywords like make money online, AI side hustle, and teen entrepreneur in your description and tags. Add a catchy thumbnail. Use free tools like Canva to make it pop. Something with your face and bold text like $1,000 with AI works great. Consistency is key. Post 2 to 4 videos a week to build momentum. The more content you have, the more chances you have to go viral. This method won't make you rich overnight, but it's a legit way to make money online while you're still in school. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.